Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text alignment and the CSS text direction. Right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS vertical alignment, and right now we are going to be specifying the vertical align property, which sets the vertical alignment of an element. For example, this sets the vertical alignment of an image in a text. So let's quickly see how this works. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the baseline value in our CSS vertical alignment. But right now we are going to be using text top value. So right here, I'm going to change this to text top value. So let's get back to the code. Let's do something. So right here now, I'm going to change this baseline to text top, so you guys can see what will happen. We'll change it to text top. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? Immediately when I reload my document, this this purple box switch to the top of our document, of our text right here. So that's what I want you guys to notice. Let's say for instance now we don't have this text top, we have baseline, like in the previously when we have the baseline. When we specify baseline, you're going to see when I reload, can you see it's come back to the normal place where it was. But let's say I bring it back to the text, I use text top value along with our vertical align property. So when I reload, can you see it's go to the top of our what, of our text. Let's say for instance now, if you don't want to have this text top, the default value is going to be what? It's going to be baseline. Can you see when I reload? So let's say we don't want, so definitely if you just want the default value, you don't need to specify anything like vertical alignment, because it's always going to be at the default. So but right now, because we need text top, that's why I'm now able to give it another value right here, which is text. We are saying it should be at the text, at the top of our text. So when I reload now, you're going to see this red something right here, this red dot, and I say this red dot, this purple dot is going to switch to the top. Can you see? When I reload, it switched to the top. That is the benefit of using what? Using the vertical alignment property. Now let's test it with different other elements. Let's do that in our next tutorial, because we still have a long way to go. But firstly, let me do small. Let's use desert image. Sorry, let's use desert image. Let's reload. Can you see our desert image, the way it switched to the top? As you can see, it switched the top of it, switch down like this, and the bottom is now longer than the top. That is the benefit of using the text top. Let's see the reaction in another element also. Let's use our paper image. Let's reload. Can you see this paper image also, the way it reacts to it? So every image will react in different manner. So SQ purple, when I use the SQ purple, it reacts to it in also in other manner also. As you can see the way it works. So please, we are going to see each other next time. Our akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Please